Everybody's talking about YouTube Shorts lately and how you should use it to grow your YouTube channel fast. And you're probably wondering right now, well, how can I make money with YouTube Shorts? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do exactly that, totally free, without investing any money and without making videos by yourself a correct way, without breaking copyright rules. And for those of you wondering what YouTube Shorts are videos made solely for smartphones. They're exactly the same like Instagram Reels and TikTok videos. Those are videos up to 60 seconds long and in 16:9 ratio, and they must contain hashtag shorts in the title or description. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. Okay, before we begin, I have to say 3 things about YouTube Shorts. First, YouTube Shorts must be up to 60 seconds long. Second thing is, YouTube Shorts are made for smartphones, which means if you are using YouTube on your desktop or laptop, you cannot find YouTube Shorts. Well, actually you can, but you must go on a specific channel and then click on their videos, and then you will see YouTube Shorts that channel uploaded. But in search results on your desktop and laptop, you cannot see YouTube Shorts. And the third thing that you need to know is YouTube Shorts dimensions must be in 16:9 ratio. And that means, for example, dimensions of your video must be, for example, 720 pixels wide and 1280 pixels high. Because like I said, YouTube Shorts are made for smartphones. Another thing is, if you can make your own YouTube Shorts, that would be the best. But if you cannot make your own videos, if you, for example, don't feel comfortable in front of camera, for example, you can go and upload somebody else's video. And I know that many of these YouTube guys are telling you that you should go on YouTube and search for Creative Commons videos in your niche and then re-upload those videos on YouTube. I do not recommend to do that. Please don't do that. And the reason for that is, many people, they go and upload videos without permission on YouTube under Creative Commons. So what can happen is you can invest 1 year, 2 years, 5 years in that channel. You can invest lots of work in that channel and YouTube can ban your channel because you break the copyright rules. You uploaded videos without the permission. So please do not use Creative Commons videos on YouTube. So how do you actually find videos that you can upload on YouTube Shorts? Well, what you can do is you can go on Instagram and you can find videos on Instagram. So what you need to do, you need to go and here in search bar, just type your main keyword and find big pages in your niche. And you will see later why we need big pages. So if you watch my videos regularly, you know that I'm in dog niche and you know that I have Instagram page about dogs and I have Twitter page about dogs. So I know that big page about dogs, one of the biggest pages on Instagram about dogs is Barked. So what you need to do after you come on that page is you need to scroll here and you need to click on Reels. Now why Reels? Because Reels are made for smartphones. They are exactly the same dimensions as YouTube Shorts. So you don't need any video editor. You can simply download this video and re-upload it on YouTube because like I said, they are exactly the same dimensions, and only difference between YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels is Instagram Reels are up to 30 seconds long and YouTube Shorts are up to 60 seconds long. So you can upload Instagram Reels without any problems on YouTube Shorts. Another place where you can find videos for your YouTube Shorts is TikTok. Again, just find big pages on TikTok in your niche. For example, this is a dog related page and here you can see there is plenty of videos about dogs, and TikTok videos are even better because TikTok as well is made for smartphones, which means all of these videos have right dimensions for YouTube Shorts, and TikTok videos are also up to 60 seconds long, just like YouTube Shorts. So TikTok videos are perfect for YouTube Shorts. But I'm going to stick with Instagram Reels. Another good thing about Instagram Reels is here you can see number of views for each video. For example, you can see that this video got 659,000 views, 1.8 million views, 1.7, 1.3 million views. And you need to scroll through these videos and look at this. 9.4 million views this video got. So all of these videos are getting between 1 and 2 million views, and this one got 9.4 million views, which means if this video went viral on Instagram, chances are it will go viral on YouTube as well. So what you need to do, you need to click on this video. And why we use big pages is because big pages always tag the person who created this video. Here you can see Golden Girl Xena. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click here and open in a new tab. I will open the page of the person. Actually, this dog have its own page. I click here and I'm doing this on my laptop, and you will obviously do this on your smartphone. And that is why I cannot see option to send message, but like I said, you will do this on your smartphone and you will see option to send message, and you need to send this message to this person and ask them for permission to upload their video on your YouTube channel. Say something like this: "Hey Xena, I saw your video on Barked and I think your dog is really cute, and can I please upload your video on my YouTube channel, and of course I will give you a credit." And what you need to do also, go back on Barked, for this example, copy the URL of the video on Barked and add that URL to that video in the message and send them a message. And huge majority of these people will actually give you permission to upload that video on YouTube, because they all probably already gave a permission to a whole bunch of people to upload that video on their Instagram pages. So why wouldn't they give you permission to upload their video on YouTube as well, as long as you give them a credit? And that is why many of these people will give you permission to upload their videos on YouTube as well. So let's say I have a permission to upload their video on my YouTube channel. What I need to do, I need to copy this URL, Control C, and I need to go on this website here in Grammar, and I need to click here on download video. Click here just to close the ad, and scroll here again and click here and paste your URL here, and then click search. Give it a few seconds to process the video. Okay, let me just scroll here and click here on download. Give it a few seconds. Save file, okay, and it will save this video on my desktop. Like I said, there is no need to edit Instagram Reels videos and TikTok videos in order to upload them on YouTube Shorts. But if you just start your channel, I recommend to just download these videos and re-upload them on YouTube. But once you start getting subscribers, once you start getting 10, 20, 50,000 views per month, then you can edit those videos before you upload them on YouTube Shorts. And why? Because you will need to promote something in order to earn money. Now, you don't need to download any expensive softwares, you don't need any video editors. What you can do, you can simply go on Canva and register for free version of Canva. That's right, for free version. And after that, you will come to this page and click here on videos. And then click on mobile videos, because that is exactly what we are doing. We are actually making videos for smartphones, because YouTube Shorts are made for smartphones. And then after you come here, you need to click on uploads. Click on uploads, click here upload media, and then click here on device and find the video that you just downloaded from Instagram Reels or from the TikTok. Let me just, okay, this is the video. Click open and then give it a few seconds to actually upload this video. Depending on the size of the video, size of the file, this can take up to a few minutes, like 2 or 3 minutes. After video is uploaded, just click on that video. And as you can see, this video is added. Let me just pause this and I will just drag it to make it fit on this. Okay, you can edit this video here in Canva. You can, for example, crop this video. Just click here on crop and let me just drag this, and after you're satisfied, just click here done, and you will crop this video totally free. Now, I will not do this because there is no need. Video is in right size. You can also cut this video. Just click here on cut on these scissors and just drag this slider and click done, and that's it. You will crop this video totally free. Of course, again, I will not do this because video length is good. So let me just click here done. And now you actually need to add call to action. But what you can do is you can actually promote your dropshipping store, your Shopify store. You can promote ClickBank affiliate offers, Amazon affiliate offers, your print on demand, and so on and so on. And like I said, you should not do that when you just start your channel. Start doing that when you get 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 views per month. Now, to do that, you will need to add call to action to your video. To add call to action, click here on text and choose one of these text styles. Let me just scroll here. And let's say I wish to use, let me just choose the one. Okay, let me just scroll here. Let's say I wish to use this one here. Just click on it. And let me just enlarge this. Okay, I will delete this. And I need to add my call to action. Now you can say whatever you want in this call to action. I like to say link in description. Short and simple. And why? Because people tend to click to check that link because they don't know what that link is about. Is it a store? Is it a website? Is it a charity or whatever it is? So they like to check that link, they like to click. And if they like the product, they will actually buy that product. And that is why I like to say just link in description. But you can do whatever you want, you can say whatever you want, and you should test different call to actions, you should test different letter styles and see which of those will give you best result, and then go with that letter style and with that call to action. After you are satisfied how your video looks, all you have to do is just click here on download and choose MP4 video and click download, and you will download this video on your desktop. Next thing you need to do, you need to go back on YouTube and you need to upload that video. Just click here and then click upload video and click here to choose the video that you downloaded from Instagram Reels. Let me just find that video. This is the video. Click open and you need to add description, you need to add details of this video, you need to add title, and that title should be something catchy and should contain your main keyword. In this case, it should contain golden retriever. So I will say something like this: Mom, why you do me like that? And then I will add golden retriever. Now this is really important. In the title or in the description, you must add hashtag shorts in order for YouTube to recognize that this is a shorts video. Because if you do not add that hashtag, then YouTube will register that video as a regular video, not as a shorts video. Now you can add it, like I said, in the title or in the description, but I like to add that hashtag in both title and in description. So just hashtag shorts. And that's it. And in description, you should also add, and in description, you should also include your main keyword, in this case, golden retriever. And like I said, I like to add hashtag shorts in description as well. And you should also add a link to the Instagram page or TikTok page or from wherever you download that video to give the credit of the person who actually created that video. And also on your later videos, when you start getting more and more views, you can add link to your Shopify store, to your ClickBank affiliate offer, to your print on demand store, and so on and so on. And in the tags, you should also include your main keyword and in different variation. For example, golden retriever in this case, and also golden retrievers, retrievers, and so on and so on. So YouTube should know that this video, this shorts video is about golden retrievers. And YouTube will show your shorts video to people who are searching for golden retrievers on their smartphone. After you finish, all you have to do is just click here on next, and publish your video on YouTube. So you can make money by promoting your affiliate offers. I personally like promoting my own print on demand. And if you watch my videos regularly, you know that I work with Teespring. And Teespring is a print on demand company, which means they will handle everything, and that is exactly why I like this. All you have to do is just provide the design and promote your store, and Teespring will do the rest. They will get the t-shirt, they will print the t-shirt, they will ship the t-shirt, they will handle support, so if somebody has any complaints, they will actually handle that. So you don't need to talk with your customers, Teespring will do that for you. Like I said, all you have to do is just make a design and promote your store. Now I will not show you how to upload your design on Teespring. If you wish, I can show you that in the next video. Just leave the comment down below. I like print on demand because you have so many options. You can offer t-shirts, you can offer hoodies, mugs, pillowcases, bags, and so on and so on. And in my experience, t-shirts and mugs works the best. They are easiest to sell, and you will make most sales of t-shirts and mugs. And that is why I'm mostly doing t-shirts and mugs. And also on Teespring you can create your own store totally free, and you can add your own custom domain to your store, and you can make it look more professional. And from my experience, print on demand works the best with YouTube Shorts, because you can actually design custom products that are adjusted to that kind of audience, and that is why it is easiest to promote print on demand. But you can promote ClickBank affiliate offers, Amazon affiliate offers, Digital24 affiliate offers, and you can get good results. So this is how you make money with YouTube Shorts and print on demand and affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.